Question 11 says, find out what various components of the mediums are used for propagation of the X plants in vitro are. Okay, so let's read the question again. Find out what various components of the medium used for propagation of X plants are. Okay, it is done in which method? So it is done in vitro method. Now, water. What do plants need? Water, inorganic salt, sucrose. Okay, why? Because it is source of carbon and energy. Vitamins, amino acids, and growth hormones like auxin, cytosine, etc. That's it. This is your answer. Water, inorganic salts, amino acid, sucrose, and growth hormones and vitamins. If required, a gelling agent like agar is added to the liquid medium for its solidification. So agar is a jelly-like thing which is added in the medium. Why? Because it will solidify. And students, this is your answer number 10. 11.